Steal rally and the attack on the Capitol. And then Trump's lawyers played the same video, but with the Rocky music over it. That's right, the impeachment trial of former President Trump opened yesterday with footage of the January 6th assault on the Capitol, and the room felt so silent you could practically hear Ted Cruz eating his popcorn. During the impeachment trial yesterday, Republicans...
If you want women to F with you, then you have to know how to F with women. And by F, I of course mean flirt. Now all...
Republican Senator Rand Paul was observed drawing squiggles in his notebook. Then he gave it to his barber and said, "Give me this." Former President Trump was reportedly unhappy with his impeachment lawyer Bruce Castor's opening argument during yesterday's trial. Yeah, I can't blame him. It's pretty bad when you're the worst defense of the week. This week. 6 Republican senators voted yesterday with the Democrats to proceed with former President Trump's impeachment trial because, boy, did they want to see what this guy would do next. I mean, it's like he forgot it was today. We got to vote yes. I bet he throws up. He's going to throw up in front of everybody. President Biden's nominee for director of the Office of Budget and Management, Neera Tanden, apologized at her Senate confirmation hearing yesterday for once referring to Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell as, quote, Voldemort. I forgive you, said Voldemort. Maybe because 16% of Americans works out to about 40 Republican senators. A 16-year-old dog who was separated from her family after Hurricane Harvey in 2017 was recently reunited with her owners. Unfortunately, she doesn't remember them. So what do you want? I'm 112 years old. You seem like nice people, though. And finally, in honor of Valentine's Day, the restaurant chain Hooters will offer diners free wings if they shred a photo of their ex-partner. And for those of you who don't have an ex, Hooters is a restaurant where the waitresses wear tiny shorts. Democrats today concluded their impeachment case against former President Trump. Well, you've given me plenty to not think about, said Rand Paul. Former President Trump's impeachment lawyer, David Schoen, will reportedly be the public face of Trump's legal team, while Trump's lawyer, Rudy Giuliani, will be the public face of PetSmart's flea and tick tips. While watching a clip played by House impeachment managers yesterday of police officers being pressed by rioters, Republican Senator James Lankford was visibly shaken. Meanwhile, Josh Hawley was so moved to applaud. President Biden yesterday spoke with the Chinese President Xi Jinping, which is the first time a U.S. president has spoken with Chinese leaders since last March. Oh, God, that means at least 10 minutes of obligatory COVID catch-up. I'm good. I mean, I'm not as good as I should be, but I shouldn't complain. How about you? Everyone well? Yeah. No, the last dance was really solid. According to this popular which is kind of like saying that Wawa has the best sushi of any gas station. A Vermont man filed a lawsuit against the state police last week, accusing them of violating his First Amendment rights after he was detained for flipping off a trooper. And for what it's worth, you couldn't even tell he was flipping them off. According to a new survey, people under 35 are 3 times more likely to have nude photos of themselves on their phones, while people over 35 are more likely to have a really close-up picture of a mole. Does this look concerning to you? Popeyes has unveiled a new menu item called the Cajun Flounder Sandwich. And if you've never seen a Cajun flounder, here you go.
I want the record to reflect that I do not call Senator Sanders an ignorant slave.
Thank you for clarifying that. Chinese restaurant in Montreal is receiving attention online for a brutally honest menu description.
Head southwest on Hagley Park Road toward Paraiso Avenue. In 200 meters, turn left onto Elspeth Avenue. You are on the best route despite heavier than usual traffic. You should reach your destination by 5:28 p.m.
Of its dishes, such as, quote, I am surprised that some customers still order this plate, and this one is not that good. And if you think those are brutal, wait till you get a fortune cookie. Finally, a Florida man who was arrested this week for allegedly exposing himself on the side of a highway told police that he was, quote, protesting for civil rights by showing his penis to traffic. And witnesses say it did make a strong argument against white supremacy. That was a monologue, everybody.
As strategy for investment, we continue to combine our market insights and intelligence with our deep knowledge of corporate finance to deliver capital market solutions while brokering deals across almost every industry. We believe that providing support to companies within our economy positively contributes to nation building, and so we are invested in growing our nation by ensuring that businesses across varying sizes can grow. Between 2019 and 2020, we executed 40 transactions, including 8 public offers, raising over 100 billion Jamaican dollars. Our many investment banking solutions include debt financing, equity financing including IPOs, advisory services, and mergers and acquisitions. The successes that we delivered for businesses
Take the next left onto Elspeth Avenue. In 300 meters, turn left onto East Road. Take the next left onto East Road. In 300 meters, turn right onto Amara Road. Onto Amara Road, then turn left onto Amara Crescent. Take the next left onto Amara Crescent, then turn right onto Montgomery Avenue. Take the next right onto Montgomery Avenue. In 300 meters, turn left onto Queens Avenue. Take the next left onto Queens Avenue, then turn right onto Queens Crescent. Take the next right onto Queens Crescent, then turn left onto Kings Avenue.
Greetings.
Evening, sir.
Greetings.
Name is Francis, Sergeant of Police from Arthur Street.
Aldin CC. No weapon. No weapon.
Anything that you want to declare to the police before we do
No, you can feel free to search.
your
Yui.
what you do at the
Lecture.
you have an ID?
Yeah.
Alden Facey?
Yeah.
Aldin? Mr. Facey, trust me.
Cool. Thanks.
Take the next left onto Kings Avenue, then turn right onto Kings Crescent. Take the next right onto Kings Crescent. Continue for 800 meters. In 200 meters, turn left onto Beechwood Avenue. Take the next left onto Beechwood Avenue. In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination. You've arrived.
Yeah. Alright, using a card, pull up. 87.
You have cash?
No, I don't have cash. I don't have enough cash to pull up.
Machine, I give up a trouble to you now, but I have a suit for you. Pull up 87 yourself?
Yeah. You want to run it? You want to run the card first?
She gonna use it. I'm gonna send you a have to put it in the car.
No, I'm a good man.
Pull it up 87?
87, yeah man.
I'm gonna tell you, you have the machine. Give the machine that you can get it. That one is a black CEO. A CEO? What is it? Then I'll tell you then. Yeah,
Top it up for me. Yun.
Murphy. Thank you, Mr. Paisley.
Thank you.